You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long multiplication. The final result is 8,922,624. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom a line to the right. Multiply the numbers using long multiplication method. 8 times 8 equals 64. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 6 to the tens place. 6 plus 2 times 8 equals 22. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 3 times 8 equals 26. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 2 to the thousands place. 2 plus 5 times 8 equals 42. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 4 to the 10,000s place. 4 plus 1 times 8 equals 12. Because the result is greater than 9, carry the 1 to the 100,000s place. 1 plus 1 times 8 equals 9. 1 times 8 equals 8. And so the final result is 8,922,624.